In today's video, we are going to talk about the insane action of GameStop price, which increased more than 375% since the start of the short squeeze of January 13, and it shows no signs of stopping. This is Stock Market Now. Before we continue, do make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up so that we can create more informational and educational videos for you to consume. With that said, let's get right into the video. In this period, short sellers tried to cover their position as the price will increase. This is a big deal to the short sellers because it lost them about $4 billion since the beginning of the year. But despite the losses, there are more hedge funds coming in and the short positions increased to about 139%. This puts GameStop in a not-so-familiar situation. This is the first time that a stock interest gained more since the start of a short squeeze. This shows the battle between WallStreetBets and the investment professionals.
They're after the ones that are too shorted. No, short selling is not dead, but they're very smart about what to target.
Wait a minute, what you just said, target. So here's my question. How is it that they can target, and that's legal, and if there was, in the old days, a bear raid?
This battle has gone mainstream since they found Jim Cramer, an ally who debates the legitimacy of WallStreetBets' actions. Now, the person that is seen on the video debating resorted to conspiracy theories about a foreign power that wants to stop WallStreetBets. The WallStreetBet moderator responded about short sellers crying about the manipulation of WallStreetBets on the market are done by a master manipulator. Now, it is a common practice among short sellers then go on CNBC or Bloomberg saying that the company is a fraud and pull the shares downward. Now, in May of 2020, a short seller that is named Carson Block went on CNBC announcing a short position on a Chinese education company, saying that 70% of the company's revenue is fraudulent, and it turns out to be wrong because the stock price of that company increased well over 200%. Now, short sellers sometimes use public tool reports to push stock prices lower and suffer from a double-digit loss. Now, it is okay to disclose legitimate research to the public investor, but the problem arises when they mislead the public with incomplete reports. Now, for example, Andrew Left of Citron was found guilty by Hong Kong authorities on charges of market manipulation. In 2012, Sichuan sued a Chinese property developer, Evergrande Group, and released some reports showing false and misleading information about the company. Now, as a result, he was banned from trading Hong Kong-listed stocks for 5 years. People like this guy on CNBC falsely accused WallStreetBets users of market manipulation for the reason to intimidate retail investors and divert attention away from the real abuses that are happening on the market. On January 26, Virgin Galactic's billionaire investor Zhamat Paula-Hapatia tweeted his support for GameStop. He bought out the money calls less than a month out on GameStop. He promised to invest hundreds of thousands of dollars on a YOLO. Now, he bought 115 strike calls expiring on 19 of February 2021. Those trades are worth $25.5 per option. Now, Chamath bought 50 contracts that are worth over $125,000. Chamath is not only the billionaire that is entering GameStop stocks. Ken Griffin, the founder of Citadel and Citadel Securities, two of the most successful hedge funds, is now involved in the short squeeze craze. On January 25, it was reported that Citadel and Point72, another giant hedge fund, bailed out MELVIN Capital at the worth of $2.7 billion. MELVIN Capital is the long-short hedge fund that shorted GameStop at the start. As a result of this, they lost hundreds of millions of dollars on their positions. This was founded by master portfolio holder Gabe Plotkin at Point72 in 2014. Now, both Ken Griffin and the owner of Point72, Stephen Cohen, supported Melvin Capital and said Gabe is an exceptional leader and investor, and we are pleased to have the opportunity to invest additional capital. Now, Ken Griffin said that Gabe Plotkin and the team have delivered exceptional results over the history of Melvin Capital. Now, we have a great confidence in Gabe and his team. Ken Griffin and Stephen Cohen ranked number 3 and 4 on the Forbes list for richest hedge fund managers. So it is very important to listen to them. When they express their opinion on Wall Streets, they are a big deal. Now, what is going to happen to GameStop with this drama? This user tweeted that a short squeeze is not a battle between the short sellers and Reddit, but a billion battle between Chamath Palihapitiya and Ken Griffin. Now, Chamath quoted this user's tweet and said he will win the battle. There is a chance that Chamath is trolling because his $125,000 YOLO is just a chump change compared to his total wealth. The fact that a billionaire like Chamath is siding with a Wall Street bet is just a shred of evidence that the battle between WallStreetBets and the short sellers is increasing. Now, Chamath is considered as one of the heroes of WallStreetBets, and that is why his tweet created hysteria of posts and comments on Reddit. This user said that most of the people on WallStreetBets do not know what is going on in the market. The thing that you need to know that shares are equal power. Now, the forums have over 2 million followers. Because of this forum, the forum gained unstoppable power and the money then follows. Now, Chamath said last year that hedge fund managers should go bankrupt.
Let them get wiped out. Who cares? They don't get to summer in the Hamptons. Who cares?
This put him in the spotlight of WallStreetBets, especially now that Melvin, Citron, Citadel, and Point72 are in the squeeze trays. Chamath also announced that he wants to run for governor in California with a platform of zero income taxes, higher teacher salaries, and new climate-friendly jobs. Chamath is unstoppable, and if he is true to his investment in GameStop, that means that short sellers will be in a bad situation. The story of GameStop has certainly been an exciting and unpredictable story in history. I am not a financial advisor and I have no idea where GameStop stocks will go for the next few days. Now, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. But before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. This is Stock Market Now. We'll see you in the next video.